Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating and rapidly evolving area of AI. Buckle up as we explore how AI is transforming our world with some rapid trends and technologies. Small language models. These little powerhouses are making big waves in the tech world. So let's break down what makes them so exciting. First off, what exactly are small language models or SLMs? Unlike their larger counterparts, SLMs are designed to operate efficiently with fewer resources. They may not be as massive as those huge models with billions of parameters, but SLMs are optimized to run smoothly on compact devices like smartphones and tablets. So why are SLMs becoming such a big deal? Let's look at some of their key benefits. Firstly, they're incredibly efficient. Despite their smaller size, SLMs pack a punch and deliver powerful performance. This efficiency makes them ideal for applications on devices with limited computing power. Secondly, accessibility. SLMs are making AI technology more available to the average user. You don't need a supercomputer to run these models, just a regular device and a browser. And of course, cost effectiveness. Smaller models don't require the massive infrastructure that larger models do, which means lower costs and easier integration. SLMs are finding their way into a variety of applications. For instance, they are powering smart assistants and chatbots on your mobile devices. Their efficiency allows them to provide real-time responses and personalized interactions without draining your battery. SLMs are also revolutionizing language translation apps. They offer quick and accurate translations on the go, making global communication smoother and more accessible. So what does the future hold for small language models? The trend is only set to grow. As technology continues to advance, we can expect SLMs to become even more capable and integrated into our everyday lives. With ongoing research and development, these models will likely become more adept at handling complex tasks while remaining resource efficient. Of course, no technology is without its challenges. SLM face their own set of limitations. One challenge is the scope. Smaller models may not perform as well on more complex tasks compared to their larger counterparts. Also, they rely on high-quality, curated training data to achieve their best performance. However, advancements in training techniques and data handling are addressing these issues, making SLMs more versatile and effective. So there you have it, small language models are transforming the AI landscape with their efficiency, accessibility, and cost effectiveness. They're proving that sometimes less is more, and they're opening up new possibilities for AI in our everyday lives. If you've ever wondered how AI can understand and process multiple types of data simultaneously, you're in the right place. Imagine a brain that doesn't just process one type of input but can handle text, images, audio, and more all at once. That's what multimodal AI is all about. Unlike traditional AI models that focus on a single modality, multimodal AI combines various forms of data to provide a more comprehensive understanding. For instance, it can take an image and generate a description, or interpret a video and extract meaningful text from it. Multimodal AI uses a combination of machine learning techniques to process and integrate different types of data. For example, it can analyze an image, then use natural language processing to generate a relevant text description based on what it sees. This integration of different data types allows the AI to create more accurate and nuanced outputs. It's like having a supercharged AI that's better at understanding context and providing richer responses. One great example is OpenAI's ChatGPT-4. This model doesn't just process text, it can interpret audio and images as well. For instance, you can upload a photo of the contents of your fridge, and it can generate a recipe based on those ingredients. In the financial sector, multimodal AI is helping analyze complex data sets. By integrating financial statements, market trends, and customer data, businesses can gain deeper insights and make more informed decisions. Marketing is another area where multimodal AI shines. It can analyze various data sources to optimize advertising campaigns, identify target audiences, and measure campaign effectiveness. This leads to more personalized and effective marketing strategies. By processing multiple types of data, multimodal AI can provide more accurate results and insights. It understands context better because it's not limited to just one type of information. Secondly, improved context. Multimodal AI can grasp the nuances of data from different sources, leading to more meaningful and contextually relevant outputs. And lastly, greater efficiency. Integrating various data sources means fewer steps to get to the insights you need. This streamlines processes and saves time. We're likely to see even more sophisticated applications as technology advances. Expect multimodal AI to become more integral in areas like autonomous vehicles, where understanding and integrating data from cameras, sensors, and other inputs will be crucial for safe and efficient operation. Healthcare is another field set to benefit. Multimodal AI could analyze medical images and patient records to provide comprehensive diagnostics and treatment recommendations. One major challenge is data integration. Combining data from different sources requires advanced algorithms and significant computational resources. Another challenge is ensuring data privacy and security. As multimodal AI processes more sensitive information, it's crucial to have robust safeguards in place to protect user data. Multimodal AI is revolutionizing how we interact with and understand data. By integrating multiple data types, it provides more accurate, contextually rich insights and opens up exciting new possibilities for various industries. If you've ever heard whispers about secretive AI tools in the workplace, you're not alone. Let's uncover what shadow AI is, how it's changing the game, and why it's such a hot topic. AI tools and technologies being used in a company without the official approval or oversight of the IT department. That's shadow AI. Employees might use AI tools to get their jobs done faster or solve problems on the fly. But if these tools aren't officially sanctioned, they fall under the umbrella of shadow AI. It's like having a secret agent working behind the scenes. One reason is the need for quick solutions. Sometimes employees find AI tools that seem like a perfect fit for their needs and start using them without waiting for official approval. Another reason is ease of access. Many AI tools are available online and are easy to integrate into daily workflows, making it tempting for employees to use them without involving it. And of course, in many organizations, IT departments may not be aware of all the AI tools being used, especially if they're being adopted at the individual or departmental level. Imagine an employee in marketing using an AI-powered analytics tool they found online to track customer engagement without informing the IT team. Or a sales team using an AI chatbot to handle customer queries that wasn't vetted by the company's cybersecurity team. These scenarios illustrate how shadow AI can provide immediate benefits but also raise significant risks if not properly managed. One major risk is security. Unapproved AI tools might not meet the company's security standards, making them vulnerable to data breaches or cyber attacks. Data privacy is another concern. When using unapproved tools, sensitive data might be handled improperly or shared with third parties, leading to potential privacy violations. And let's not forget compliance issues. Companies need to adhere to regulations and standards, and shadow AI can sometimes sidestep these requirements, leading to legal and financial repercussions. Firstly, clear AI policies are essential. Companies should establish guidelines for the use of AI tools and communicate them effectively to employees. Next, implementing secure AI platforms can help. Using approved and vetted tools ensures that they meet the company's security and compliance standards. Finally, employee training is crucial. Educating staff about the risks of unapproved AI tools and the importance of following IT policies can help mitigate the use of shadow AI. As AI technology continues to evolve, shadow AI is likely to become more prevalent. However, with increasing awareness and better management practices, companies can harness the benefits of AI while minimizing risks. We're also seeing more sophisticated solutions like AI automation command centers that help organizations monitor and control AI usage more effectively, making it easier to integrate shadow AI into a secure and compliant framework. Shadow AI represents both a challenge and an opportunity. While it can drive innovation and efficiency, it's crucial for companies to manage it carefully to avoid security and compliance issues. So how quantum computing is set to revolutionize the world of AI? Quantum AI is the intersection of quantum computing and artificial intelligence. To understand it, let's break it down. Traditional computers use bits, which are binary and can be either 0 or 1. Quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits. This means quantum computers can process a vast amount of possibilities at once, making them incredibly powerful for solving complex problems that are beyond the reach of classical computers. Quantum AI leverages quantum algorithms to enhance machine learning and data processing. Two key principles here are superposition and entanglement. Superposition allows qubits to represent multiple states at once, while entanglement links qubits in such a way that the state of one qubit instantly affects the state of another, regardless of distance. These principles enable quantum computers to perform complex computations at speeds unimaginable with classical computers, which can significantly accelerate AI tasks like optimization, pattern recognition, and predictive modeling. In drug discovery, quantum AI can model molecular interactions at an unprecedented level of detail, speeding up the discovery of new treatments and vaccines. In financial modeling, quantum AI can analyze massive datasets and simulate market scenarios with incredible precision, offering better predictions and risk assessments. For optimization problems such as logistics and supply chain management, quantum AI can solve complex optimization issues more efficiently, leading to cost savings and improved performance. One major challenge is hardware limitations. Quantum computers are still in their infancy and are prone to errors. Quantum error correction is a developing field aimed at addressing these issues. Scalability is another challenge. Building and maintaining large-scale quantum systems requires significant resources and advancements in technology. Despite these challenges, the future of quantum AI is incredibly promising. As technology evolves, we can expect to see more breakthroughs and practical applications that will transform industries and solve complex problems. IBM Quantum and Google Quantum AI are leading the charge with their quantum computing platforms, exploring various applications of quantum AI and pushing the limits of what quantum technology can achieve. In summary, quantum AI represents a thrilling frontier in the world of technology. By combining the power of quantum computing with advanced AI techniques, it opens up new possibilities for solving complex problems and accelerating innovation. So what exactly is the Evenflow Artificial Intelligence? It is an advanced AI system designed to bring unprecedented stability and consistency to data processing and decision-making. Imagine having an AI that not only handles complex tasks but does so with remarkable fluidity and accuracy. Developed with cutting-edge algorithms and robust architecture, the Evenflow AI aims to eliminate the common pain points associated with traditional AI systems, such as data inconsistency. The Evenflow AI utilizes a blend of advanced machine learning techniques and adaptive algorithms. First, it employs a dynamic data processing engine that ensures seamless integration and consistency across different data sources. This means whether you're dealing with structured or unstructured data, the Evenflow AI processes it with the same level of efficiency and accuracy. Second, its decision-making framework is designed to adapt in real time. As new data comes in, the Evenflow AI adjusts its algorithms to reflect the most current information, ensuring that decisions are always based on the latest insights. Finally, its feedback loop system continuously learns from past interactions and outcomes. This allows the Evenflow AI to refine its processes and improve over time, making it more reliable and effective with each use. In healthcare, the Evenflow AI helps in managing patient data with high accuracy, ensuring that medical records are up to date and providing doctors with reliable insights for better patient care. In finance, it revolutionizes data analysis by providing consistent and accurate financial forecasts, detecting anomalies, and ensuring secure transactions. E-commerce platforms benefit from the Evenflow AI's ability to personalize customer experiences, optimize inventory management, and streamline logistics. In smart cities, it enhances infrastructure management, traffic flow optimization, and public safety by integrating data from various sensors and sources into a cohesive, actionable framework. The Evenflow AI brings several benefits to the table. Its consistency in data processing ensures that businesses can rely on accurate information across various applications. Real-time adaptation means it can handle dynamic environments effectively, making it ideal for fast-paced industries. Plus, its scalability allows it to grow and adapt with your business needs. However, like any technology, it's not without challenges. Ensuring seamless integration with existing systems and maintaining data privacy are critical concerns. It's also important to address any biases that may arise in its algorithms to ensure fair and ethical outcomes. The future of the Evenflow AI looks incredibly promising. We can expect to see enhanced features that further improve its performance and adaptability. Broader adoption across various sectors will likely drive new innovations and applications, making it a cornerstone of future AI developments. As technology continues to evolve, the Evenflow AI will play a crucial role in shaping how we process and interact with data, leading to more intelligent and responsive systems. To sum it up, the Evenflow AI represents a significant leap forward in the world of artificial intelligence. With its focus on consistency, real-time adaptation, and scalability, it's set to transform various industries and redefine our interaction with technology. Now let's explore how agentic AI is transforming industries and shaping the future of technology. Agentic AI refers to artificial intelligence systems designed to act as autonomous agents with a high level of decision-making capability. Unlike traditional AI that follows predefined rules or operates within specific constraints, agentic AI systems can make decisions, set goals, and adapt their behavior based on their environment and experiences. Think of it as AI with a sense of agency. These systems can act independently, make real-time decisions, and even learn from their interactions with the world. It's like giving AI a personality and autonomy. Agentic AI combines several key components to function effectively. These include advanced machine learning algorithms, real-time data processing, and autonomous decision-making capabilities. Here's how it all comes together. First, agentic AI systems use sophisticated machine learning models to analyze data and learn from their environment. They continuously update their knowledge base and refine their decision-making processes based on new information and experiences. Second, these systems employ real-time data processing to adapt their behavior and responses to changing conditions. Whether it's adjusting to new market trends or responding to unexpected challenges, agentic AI can act swiftly and efficiently. Finally, autonomy is at the heart of agentic AI. These systems are designed to operate independently, making decisions and setting goals without constant human intervention. In the world of autonomous vehicles, agentic AI enables self-driving cars to navigate complex environments, make split-second decisions, and ensure safety on the road. In smart manufacturing, agentic AI can optimize production processes, manage supply chains, and even predict maintenance needs, all while operating independently to improve efficiency and reduce costs. In financial trading, agentic AI can analyze market data, execute trades, and adapt strategies based on real-time market conditions, providing significant advantage in high-frequency trading environments. One major benefit of agentic AI is its efficiency. By automating complex decision-making processes, These systems can significantly reduce operational costs and improve overall performance. Adaptability is another key advantage. Agentic AI can adjust its behavior and strategies based on real-time data and changing conditions, making it highly versatile and responsive. However, there are challenges as well. Ensuring the ethical use of agentic AI and addressing concerns about decision-making transparency are critical. Additionally, maintaining security and preventing misuse are ongoing concerns in the development and deployment of these systems. The future of agentic AI is incredibly promising. As algorithms continue to improve and technology advances, we can expect to see even more widespread adoption across various industries. Enhanced autonomy and more sophisticated decision-making capabilities will enable agentic AI systems to handle increasingly complex tasks and challenges, driving innovation and transforming the way we interact with technology. In summary, agentic AI represents a major leap forward in the world of artificial intelligence. By combining advanced machine learning, real-time data processing, and autonomous decision-making, agentic AI is set to revolutionize industries and reshape the future. If you've ever wondered how AI systems make decisions and why it's important for us to understand them, you're in the right place. Let's break down what explainable AI is, why it matters, and how it's shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Imagine you have an AI system making decisions, but it feels like a black box. You know the input and the output, but you can't see inside and understand how decisions are made. That's where explainable AI comes into play. It's all about making AI systems more transparent and understandable. First and foremost, trust. If users and stakeholders can't understand how an AI system arrives at its decisions, it's hard to trust its outcomes. Explainable AI helps build that trust by providing clear explanations. Next, accountability. In sectors like healthcare, finance, or law, knowing how AI decisions are made is crucial for accountability. If something goes wrong, understanding the decision-making process helps in addressing issues and ensuring fair practices. And then there's compliance. Regulations around AI are becoming stricter. For instance, the European Union's AI Act emphasizes the need for transparency in AI systems. Explainable AI helps companies comply with these evolving standards. One method is model transparency. This involves designing AI models in a way that their decision-making processes are inherently easier to understand. For example, decision trees and rule-based models are more interpretable compared to deep learning neural networks. Another approach is using visualization tools. These tools help in illustrating how AI models process data and make decisions. Techniques like feature importance graphs or decision flowcharts can provide insights into the model's behavior. Finally, there are interpretability techniques. These include methods that provide explanations for individual predictions, making it easier to understand specific outcomes. In healthcare, explainable AI can help doctors understand why an AI system suggests a particular diagnosis or treatment plan, leading to better patient care and trust in technology. In finance, it helps in understanding credit scoring models and ensuring fair lending practices by providing clear reasons behind loan approval or rejection. In law enforcement, explainable AI can assist in interpreting predictive policing tools and ensuring that their use is fair. One challenge is complexity. Highly accurate AI models like deep learning networks can be incredibly complex, making it difficult to provide straightforward explanations. There are also trade-offs. Sometimes increasing explainability can reduce model performance. Balancing the need for transparency with maintaining high accuracy is an ongoing challenge. And with evolving standards and regulations, staying ahead of compliance requirements and ensuring that explanations meet legal and ethical standards is crucial. Looking ahead, the future of explainable AI is promising. We're seeing enhanced techniques that make explanations more intuitive and user-friendly. Greater adoption across industries is expected as organizations recognize the value of transparency, and alignment with regulations will become more critical. Companies will need to ensure that their AI systems not only perform well but also provide clear, understandable explanations to meet regulatory demands. In summary, explainable AI is about making AI systems more transparent, understandable, and accountable. It's crucial for building trust, ensuring fairness, and complying with regulations. With AI becoming an integral part of our lives, it's crucial to ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and ethically. So let's explore what ethical AI is all about and why it's so important. Ethical AI refers to the practice of developing and using artificial intelligence in a way that is morally sound, transparent, and aligned with societal values. It's about ensuring that AI systems are designed and deployed in ways that are fair, accountable, and respectful of human rights. As AI technology advances, it's crucial to address issues like data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the overall impact on society. Ethical AI is all about making sure that AI contributes positively and does not perpetuate harm or inequality. Transparency: this means being open about how AI systems make decisions. Users should understand how and why an AI arrives at a particular outcome. This transparency helps build trust and ensures that the AI's processes are clear and understandable. Fairness: AI should be designed to avoid bias and discrimination. It's important that AI systems are trained on diverse datasets to ensure that they make fair decisions across different demographics and scenarios. Accountability: developers and organizations must take responsibility for the actions of their AI systems. This includes addressing any issues or harms that arise from the use of AI and being answerable to the public. Privacy: protecting user data is paramount. Ethical AI practices involve securing personal information and ensuring that it's used responsibly in compliance with data protection regulations. Security AI systems must be safeguarded against misuse and attacks. Implementing robust security measures is essential to protect both the technology and the users it serves. One great example is how some tech companies are working to eliminate bias in facial recognition technology. By using more diverse datasets and implementing fairness algorithms, they aim to ensure that these systems don't unfairly target or misrepresent any group. Another example is the implementation of explainable AI practices. Companies are developing AI systems that not only make decisions but also explain how those decisions were made. This transparency helps users understand and trust the AI's processes. In healthcare, ethical AI is being used to develop tools that assist doctors while ensuring patient privacy and data security. These tools help in diagnosing diseases accurately while safeguarding sensitive health information. We can expect to see more comprehensive regulations governing AI to ensure ethical practices. Greater transparency in AI processes will become a norm, helping users understand how decisions are made. And as AI technology continues to evolve, the adoption of ethical guidelines will become increasingly widespread, shaping the future of AI development. The future of AI is bright, but it's up to all of us developers, users, and policymakers to ensure that it's guided by. Ethical AI is all about making sure that artificial intelligence is developed and used in ways that are fair, transparent, and respectful of human rights. As we move forward, it's crucial to keep these principles at the forefront of AI innovation. And that wraps up our dive into the latest AI trends and technologies. AI is incredibly exciting and evolving rapidly and shaping the future. Which technology are you most intrigued by? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates. Thanks for watching and see you next time.